9 Acres RV here coming to you with an awesome front living room fifth wheel. Nice and massive. Look at that. I start my video and guess what's coming out? The sun! Ah, my goodness gracious, seems like the summer does not want to start. Bring on the sun. All right, let's get to it. 2014 Keystone Cougar High Country. The model number is 327 RES, I believe. Sorry, my memory's not so good. All right, 2014. It is super nice. It's not perfect, but it's super nice. We got frameless windows throughout. We got slide toppers throughout. You see that we have an automatic electronic leveling system. Here it is. Here's a look at the underbelly storage. There's another look here at the wet bay. Propane tanks on both sides. So 2 slides over on this side, a beautiful fiberglass cap that does need to get washed. Power awning, LED lights, more slide toppers. Outside speakers. That awning does need to be cleaned. We do have keyless entry. Okay, here's the model number. 337FLS. That makes more sense. Front living room. All right, let's go in. Walk it in, the 337FLS. Maybe I will remember that. Maybe not. Okay, here is a look. Front living room. Love it. So, lots of sleeping arrangement here. Nice big TV up front. A fireplace that does throw out some heat. Here's the stereo. The furniture is in really good condition. Oh, not here though. No. I wonder if there's anything we can do with that. I'm not sure, guys. All right. 4 chairs and a table. We got daytime and nighttime shades throughout. See right here? So that's your nighttime shades. There's your daytime shades. Love this window up here. We got solid surface countertops. Oh, I love the wine rack. We got a Domestic fridge. So this fridge works on propane and electricity. Ah, no wonder this unit is so clean. Looks like our detailer is probably Gloria. You know what? I think Gloria is the one that spent some time on this one. She does great work. Attention competitors, if you come and get her, we're gonna have a problem. I'm kidding. All right, bathroom up next. So that is a ceramic toilet. Lots of storage. Beautiful skylight. We got a medicine cabinet. Let's take a look at this shower. Yeah, definitely Gloria was in here. Looking good. Okay, back out into the hallway. Close this door. That's a beautiful door, by the way. The master bedroom. Master bedroom is out back. Look at the storage. Great spot here for TV. Looking good. We do have some good news for you. So the previous owner must have upgraded their mattress and loved that mattress. So they kept it. So guess what that means? You get a brand new mattress too. So that'll be included. Storage underneath, looking good. Here's another door to the bathroom. And lots of storage. Look at that. Oh, it does come with... Oh, we're on this side. Yeah. Looking nice. Very nice. Okay, folks. If you guys are looking for an inexpensive quality unit that won't break the bank. Front living room is an awesome, awesome floor plan. They're not easy to find. I'm gonna say this one's fairly rare. If you're looking for one of these, it's over at 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.